How to convert speech to text. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super easy video. Now, how can we actually convert speech to text though? Well, we can actually use this tool to easily transcribe your audio. It doesn't matter if it's a video, an audio file, or if you want to live record. For this, we're going to use this online tool called Veed.io. It's sort of like an online video editor, where we can actually do something very cool with the audio as well. You want to click on start for free. And now there's two ways to actually record your audio. The first way is inside Veed, but let's say you don't like that, then there's also an alternative method. If you already have an audio file, by the way, you can also upload it right there. But if you want to record your audio in Veed, just simply hit record, then click audio right over there. And then you have to allow your microphone at the top left corner. And then you can already see that I can actually record right over here. Now, let's say you don't like to record in here and to want to use another tool. Then you can go ahead and download Audacity right over here. This is what it will look like. Here you can hit record a bit of audio, then file and export it as an MP3 file. Then you will have it saved on your PC as well. Now, you can find it if you search for Audacity right over here. This is the website. Here you can download it just like that. I'm going to go ahead and record something real quick. So this is my text right over here, and I want to add this to my project. And then now I have added it right over here. I want to go ahead and go to subtitles right over there. Then you can hit auto subtitles just like that. Then you want to make sure that you select the right language. So I just selected English since that is what I just spoke in. Click on create subtitles. And it now says generating subtitles. So this really just depends on how long your video is. Right over here, you can see a bar. Since I only recorded like 19 seconds, this won't take that long. Now it says all done. So you want to click on edit transcript, and here you can actually see all the subtitles, blah, blah, blah. But if you don't care about that and you just want to have the file as a text file, then what you can actually do is click on options and then click on download and click on .txt format. But what will happen is that you have to pay for this. But you can also just do something very easy. Simply select everything, hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard, then go to, for example, open a new document, right click, and then paste it without format. And there you go. We now have the text right over here as well. Super easy. You don't really need to pay for it. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.